Hi, this is Brad Hoder for Engineered Efficiency. In this lesson, we're going to learn how GEOPAK will help in the striping placement in our drawing. This project begins with us opening up this 050301 striping.dgn. It's located in the install directory, module 05, topic 0503, lesson 050301. After opening the design file, we need to open up our GEOPAK project. This project is located in the GEOPAK subdirectory, and the GEOPAK project is the same name as our DGN. Let's highlight that and click OK. We're going to use the predefined user pstripe. Click OK, and that gets us into our flowchart. Now the tool that we need to use is called the Design and Computational Manager. That is found under the Plan View Design in our flowchart. And then it is the first push button in the resulting dialog. Inside the Design and Computational Manager, please confirm that at the very top we have this EDDDB loaded. If it is not loaded, please go to File, Open, and then navigate to our install directory, Standards Database, and find the EDDDB, and then click Open. Once we have this Design and Computational Manager database open, the tool that we're going to use at the top is this pavement marking off on the right. So let's depress the pavement marking. When doing so, note that associated dialog disappears for right now, and then we also get more choices off to the right. The one we're going to focus on for this video is the first one, called striping. We can click on the striping and note that we get another dialog. At the very top we have our pattern. Let's make sure that that is set on single stripe A. Off on the right, or below single stripe A, we have single, and then to the right it could be blank, or it may have something in it. If there's something in it, that just means someone has used this tool before. We're going to set this, though, by scrolling on down and going into our plan topo notation, plan pay items, quantities, pavement marking. We're going to go into pavement marking proposed. Then we're going to go under paint, and then under paint, let's go to pavement marking line 4-inch. Move this a little bit to the right so we can read everything. What we need to do is we need to put in a double center line. This double center line will be along our center line up to this point right here. Then from this point forward, we're actually going to have a solid line on one side and a dashed line on the other. So we're going to use this double center line. Now how we can populate that is either double clicking, or we can click on single off on the right, and it will grab whatever we have highlighted in our Design and Computational Manager. Next we're going to do solid. If we do a skip, that just is allowing us to actually draw this as skip stripe, but that is not what we want. We have two solid lines right now, which will be the center line. I'm going to choose chain because we're going to do this right down our center line chain, and we have this alignment already stored in GEOPAK. Let's go down and choose our chain class. Then we need to choose our beginning and ending stations. Well, our beginning station is right here at the beginning, so we can snap to the beginning line, and it'll give us 10 plus 0, 0. The ending station, if we scroll on out of here and go all the way up here, and I'm going to snap to the end of the taper line, to obtain the station for the ending. Then we have offset. Well, we want this offset to be right on our alignment, so it's going to be 0. Then we can simply click Draw Stripes. When doing so, we'll notice that we get this line drafted in our drawing, and note it stops where we stated it to stop. This concludes our striping lesson.